Tristane Mary, and we're going on a bit of a boat tour. I've got a private boat booked. Good morning, how are you? Okay, paperwork's done. Pretty busy down here, lots of stuff going on. Now this is my boatman. He's got me snorkel and goggles because we're gonna go down, have a look at the fish. So got the BMO, the little electric toot-toot or whatever they call them. He did actually get me to pay for that, which I wasn't told about, but that's alright. It's only a few bucks. No use stressing about shit like that when you're travelling and mucking around thinking, oh, it should be included and all that, which probably should have told me, but no drama. It's all part of travel. And honestly, sometimes they just forget, you know, because most people they may tell to just come down here, but he come pick me up right from the hotel. The little BMO was ready to go just down the road. It was pretty good service, I think. So let's go hit the water. Hey, brother. Hello. Oh, getting on the boat. Yeah. So I've got to put the life vest on. So good to see they're doing a bit of safety. Hopefully, as the tour goes, I might be able to relax a bit on that one. Because it's a bit uncomfortable and hot. Boat pontoons over here where you can go parasailing, bit of a party boat. There's a heap of them around the other side of the island. Because the weather's pretty good, I think we're going to be able to go right around. How much is that?
250.
250?
Yeah.
And you got drinks? Crocodile?
Yeah, Crocodile.
So that's later on?
Yeah, later on.
Yeah?
Crocodile Islands is best place for me.
Later
yeah.
on?
Yeah, later on.
No worries. Oh, good. And at the
then
minute...
we have islands, sir, for 2 islands.
Yeah.
All islands is private islands.
Okay.
Yeah, they have islands, Magic Islands, cliff jumping.
Alright.
And then they have cave. But also 2 islands is a private also.
Yeah. On the beautiful secluded beach. Now they did say to me that if you're here a bit later, this joint here, all along here, is absolutely packed. So because I got a private boat, I think, and also I edged them on to leave a bit earlier, I think it makes a bit of a difference, but sometimes all right to have a few crowd too. So depending what you're into, but definitely a beautiful little spot. You might be able to see in the distance, you can see they do all of these nearly everywhere that I've been. They seem to do a lot of these sand castles, so nice to look at. I suppose there's probably a money jar or something you can put money in, I'm not sure. So guys, if you have been around this island or similar islands and you've got any info on prices, anything, you know, as travelers we're always looking to just look after each other, learn off each other. So if you have got any info on a similar tour to this, always jot down in the comments, just put the price of it, you know, any good or bads, maybe different companies, whatever, any info that might help my viewers to be able to you know, navigate through through this beautiful Philippines better. So it's always appreciated, guys. So just keep that in mind and help us out where you can. Shouldn't really be thinking about logistics here, should we? It's time to rest the mind. Every man and his dog. So one thing that does go through my mind, I suppose, now that I'm traveling and vlogging, whereas before I used to just vlog, I mean just travel a lot. You know, the difference of it all. And I was thinking the other day, do I actually miss things because I'm thinking out the camera work, or is it actually better? So I think there's a bit of both in that. However, I think it's probably better, I feel, for me at the moment doing the vlogging. You know, it gives me something to do, which I sort of like, as I'm sort of out of me party years pretty much. So it gives me that purpose to get up and get my mind on something. And I think it takes me out to heaps more places than what I used to go to. I generally, you know, very rarely would go on these tours, but now I sort of that's just what I do, because I want to get these vlogs out. So for me at the moment, my time of life, I think it's absolutely awesome. So it works for me, and the birds up there just agreed. It's time to hit the water. A lot of these places there are, so Mr. Worrywart here. Chill out, Dino, and just enjoy it. You gotta love this. The Philippines just showing off again. When I'm traveling, it's I might be talking a bit loud because I don't know if the volume is working properly, because I'm going under the water a lot. But when I'm traveling, obviously I'm thinking about a lot to get here. It was about a 16-hour travel to get here, and at some point there's a time where I sort of hit a bit of a chill zone, and I never know sort of when that is, but it's now. Just completely zenned out and not thinking so much about the travel and what's next. It's just being in the moment. So I sort of like that feeling, because I figure just don't do that enough. Hello. What are you looking for?
Puka Shell.
What are they?
Puka Shell.
Which
This one
one?
is the famous here, only here in Boracay.
Can you show me? Oh.
Yeah, I make it necklace.
Oh.
Yeah, this one, Puka Shell.
Can I have a look at one?
Yeah. This one, the big one.
And you
I
make
it anklet, a necklace.
Oh,
Yeah.
beautiful. Aren't they nice?
Yeah, this
So
one.
polished.
Only here in Boracay. And
They're
Puka
special
Beach.
ones.
Because this one, the name is, the beach is Puka.
Okay.
Puka
Oh,
Beach.
and so this
Yeah,
is
this one.
unique. Yeah, the
Yeah.
only place. That's
I
beautiful.
have a cylinder, Puka Shell.
And you do over
Yeah,
here?
yeah.
Okay, that's beautiful.
If you want, sir, I have a souvenir there. I have a snake bones.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
You want
I
look?
won't now. No, I'm going for a walk, but maybe, yeah.
That one, no?
I
The tree one.
I understand. No worries. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you.
There you go, the unique shell to this beach. They're such pleasant people, aren't they? They've got a really cool vibe to them. And beyond, here come the terrorists. That's an Aussie, up north Aussie way of saying tourists, if some countries don't get that. The big tourist boats are starting to come in. I actually don't mind. I'm one of those people that quite like the hustle and bustle a bit, to a certain degree, but we're staying one step ahead of it today, hopefully, a bit. So, what a beautiful beach. We'll be on our way. So behind me, we're just entering onto White Beach. Station 1, Station 2, Station 3 down further, which is where I stay. Maybe able to see in the distance. Got a lot of jetty over here. However, when we come in, all the boats seem to go to these little floating jetties now, so it doesn't even look like they use this one anymore. the point right over there. That's a little island on its own. There's a few little interesting things over there we're going to have a look at. I think it's a private island. So this one here, you can do cliff diving, yeah?
Yeah, cliff
jump
diving.
off.
Yeah, jump off.
And how much does that cost?
250
Yeah.
each person.
Alright, and this is like private island, yeah?
Yeah, the private island.
What was the name of it?
Magic Island.
Magic. Okay. It looks good, doesn't it? I like it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So this is where they do the jumping off. You can pay to go up there. It's about 250 to enter the island. Looks pretty cool actually. I'm not going to go in there, but you can have a look at that. You can go off cliff diving. Crystal
Cove Island. This one.
Crystal Cove over here. And that is that another private one? Ah, it's very cool. Crocodile Island. We're gonna go for a dive. So we're just gonna stop here now and go for a bit of a snorkel, guys. Just gonna find a good spot, tie up, and I'll get in the water. Let's go. So the tide's a little bit low, so we're gonna walk back along here, back to the little floating bridge. So guys, that's it for the tour. So it cost about 5,000. Had to pay for the taxi here and back, the little electric tuk-tuk. But from the port here, 5,000. 5 hours if you want it. I cut it a bit short, but that's because that's what I wanted to do. Could have stopped at a few more places, so when you do your private tour, you can sort of stop and start where you want. All thumbs up to me, had an absolute ball. So from Dino at 3-Star Nomadic, we'll catch you down the track. And that'll be a wrap.